Hi boys and girls, welcome to Writer's Workshop Day 2. Today we are going to be focusing on a topic sentence in a picture. And if you're watching this video, that means you're an OWL writer. Here we go. There are some materials that you need. You need your timer, you need a pencil, crayons, and you need your paper. Pause the video and get your materials. Welcome back. Let's review what an opinion is. An opinion is how you think or feel about something. When someone wants to know your opinion about something, it sounds like this. Hey, which type of pizza is the best? What's your opinion? An example answer would be, I think pepperoni pizza is the best type of pizza. Everyone has a different opinion. Sometimes you agree with others and sometimes you have a different opinion, and that's okay. For your paper today, it says this: what would you like to grow in a garden? How can we start out this writing? Did you know there's something called an opinion starter? You can start your writing with any of these choices, and I'll let you know which one I'm choosing, but you don't have to choose the same one as me. You can start out your paper with my favorite, I believe, in my opinion, I think, I feel, I prefer. So for this writing, it says, what would you like to grow in a garden? You could say, in my opinion, I would grow. Or you could say, I think I would grow. I feel like lettuce is the best thing to grow. You can choose any of these starters. I'm going to choose in my opinion. So on my paper, I wrote the sentence starter, in my opinion. Now I have to state my opinion. Here we go. In my opinion, I would like to grow. What would I like to grow? What's in a garden? Wow, I see flowers and plants, or food, fruit and vegetables. Look at all this good stuff. Pause the video, and I want you to decide what you want to grow. Welcome back. What did you choose? What do you want to grow? Can I tell you what I want to grow? I'm going to finish my sentence, my topic sentence. In my opinion, I would like to grow cilantro. That's my favorite herb. Okay, guys, now it's your turn to do your paper. What vegetable would you like to grow? And don't forget, you have to choose one of these sentence starters and then state your opinion. In my opinion, I would like to grow cilantro. Can you do yours? Go ahead. Hi, Stallions. Welcome back. Now that you stated your opinion, you need to do your picture. So get your crayons ready. Here's my picture. You can see I have lots of details. I have my garden, I have boys and girls, I have birds flying around because it's just a happy time growing a garden. It's one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to go color my picture, and I want you to do your picture and put everything on Seesaw. And you may stop when you're done with your picture. Have fun.